Who said thyme is only good for flavoring your meat? It also makes a flavorful tea. Thyme tea, or tisane, is probably one of the most popular herbal teas. Its earthy flavors also seem to pack a punch of antioxidants that can make it very beneficial for our health. Learn more about its benefits and how to make it. Thyme has been popular for centuries, and it has been commonly used to treat various ailments, from flu to epileptic seizures. During the Middle Ages, people mixed thyme with lavender in equal amounts and sprinkled it on the floors of churches to get rid of any unwanted odors. Moreover, it has also been used to heal wounds and prevent infections, and it was applied crushed on the affected areas. Its volatile essential oils are high in antiviral, anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, antiparasitic, and antifungal properties. If you are suffering from an upset stomach, nausea, constipation, bloating, or cramping, thyme tea may be the perfect remedy. It may have some natural anti-inflammatory properties and perhaps a soothing nature, as well as possible antibacterial effects, which can help get rid of stomach bugs and possibly promote proper digestion, while probably also normalizing bowel movements. Its regular use will lower the viral load in the body, so it is excellent in the case of lupus, tinnitus, chronic fatigue syndrome, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, vertigo, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and rheumatoid arthritis. All you need to do to treat these conditions is to drink thyme tea every morning. Thyme is high in vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, and calcium, all of which are extremely beneficial for proper red blood cell formation, blood pressure regulation, and the distribution of antioxidants in the body. It is also abundant in folic acid, B-complex vitamins, vitamin A and C. It also contains various bioflavonoids and volatile oils, including thymol, an essential oil with potent antioxidant properties. Furthermore, it has powerful cancer preventive properties, as it is rich in terpenoids such as rosmarinic and ursolic acids. Studies have shown that the regular intake of thyme raises the amount of DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and omega-3 fatty acid, in the kidney, brain, and heart cell membranes. The essential oils in thyme have strong expectorant and bronchial antispasmodic properties and are thus excellent in the treatment and prevention of gingivitis, laryngitis, asthma, throat infections, acute and chronic bronchitis, sore throats, coughs, inflammation of the mouth,